Evergreen Nursery came into existence because of the lack of a containerized seedling or a plug nursery, and this is a family-owned, family-operated, family-involved UP business. Most of what we're focusing on is reforestation, forestry, seedlings, as well as wildlife, enhanced seedlings. Everything is seeded and produced here on site. Containerized seedlings have the benefit of far more root systems than bare root seedlings, and these can be shipped any place, and they're viable just as well when they get shipped out as they are when they arrive and when people put them in the ground. Trees are a renewable resource, and this is the means of renewing that resource. We got to make sure that we're putting the trees back in. We're eliminating greenhouse gases. This is the best way to go about it, the natural, best way to go about it. We're trying to preserve the earth one seedling at a time.